The smartwatch market keeps expanding every year, with major brands rolling out their own wearable devices. From the popular Apple Watch to Garmin, a leader in fitness tech, whose Venu series has gained a large share of the market. It's no wonder people are excited about the release date for the Garmin Venu 4, but when might it be and what can we expect? Let's find out in our today's video. It's tough to find faults with the health and fitness tracking on the latest model, as Garmin packed the Venu 3 with plenty of useful features. I was excited to see more activity profiles and recovery tools, especially combined with the brand's trusted sensors. However, when it comes to training, there are always more stats to consider. I'm hoping the Venu 4 comes with a few features that were missing from the Venu 3, like triathlon and running track modes. Also, training readiness is a favorite among serious athletes, but it's still not available in the Venu series. Right now, Garmin's product lineup can feel a bit confusing. With the Venu, vivoactive, Forerunner, and various high-end multi-sport watches, buyers have plenty of options to choose from. However, some features are missing on certain devices, even though they are available on other models at similar prices. In short, Garmin works hard to keep each product line unique while still offering good value. I'm hoping that the Venu 4 will include even more training and recovery features from other models. It's hard to find much to criticize about the Venu 3, so coming up with a wish list is tough. However, one feature I really wanted on the current model and hope to see in the Venu 4 is an LTE option. The Venu series is great for athletes who want Garmin's top-notch fitness tracking along with smartwatch features. But Garmin still hasn't offered an LTE version that lets you use the watch without your phone. With LTE, you can make calls and more, even if your phone isn't nearby, which would be really handy for those of us who prefer training without carrying a phone. Wireless charging might be a bit of a stretch, but that won't stop me from hoping for it. Luckily, most of Garmin's top devices use the same reliable charger, which works well. I like the fact that I can use just one cord to charge multiple Garmin watches without any hassle. Still, wireless charging would make the Venu 4 feel more like other top smartwatches, especially if it worked with regular charging pads. Plus, it would allow the watch to charge flat instead of on its side. And while the Venu 3 already has some of the best battery life out there, I'd never complain about going longer between charges. I'd love it if the Venu 4 came with even more battery life. It might seem a little silly to ask for more colors on a device. The Garmin Venu 3 comes in a few neutral colors, like silver, slate, and soft gold bezels. I'd love to see the Venu 4 come with more color choices. Personally, I really like the metallic navy bezel on the vivoactive 5, and I'd definitely grab a green option if it became available. The Garmin Venu 3 is Garmin's best smartwatch, but it's still not quite on the same level as fully featured smartwatches from Apple, Samsung, and Google. One of the main things holding it back is the limited third-party app support. Compared to the App Store or Google Play Store, Garmin users have far fewer apps to choose from to enhance their watch. I'm hoping that with the Venu 4, Garmin will improve third-party app support, so users can add even more useful features to their watches. Garmin hasn't mentioned the Venu 4 yet, likely because the Venu 3 just launched in mid-2023. Unlike brands like Samsung and Apple, which release new models yearly, Garmin usually updates its Venu line every 2 years. This slower approach allows them to focus on meaningful upgrades. So, we probably won't see the Venu 4 until mid-2025, making the Venu 3 the best choice from Garmin for at least the next 8 months. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.